Thank you for joining us on another episode of REVUP Ride Reviews. We're here at a very unique and interesting location. Check out the wall of boats. And now, today's featured car, we have a 2017 Nissan GTR. We'll take a look at it. So with the midnight blue, just pairs very well with some of our REVUP drinks. Some of our more popular, like a blue raspberry. So you can see the actual owner of this car is on the younger side. Used to be into stock trading. Now he just loves his car. He's looking at getting another one. Not sure what he's going to pick next, so we might have him on another episode. But now, just check out the beautiful color of this 2017 GTR. What's your main job?
I'm a senior financial analyst for a large parts manufacturing company. We make the actual facility that I work at. We make the Boeing 737 doors.
Oh,
so it's primarily aerospace.
What company is it?
Precision Cast Parts is the company. The facility I work at is Primus International, which is owned by Precision Cast Parts.
Oh, okay.
Yep. They go by PCC Auburn.
Got it. All right.
Even though they're in Algona.
Your car does sound so good, though.
That was the first thing that I did was the exhaust.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
I got it. Because I mean, they don't sound terrible stock, but yeah, I had to.
If you have a car like this and you have the stock exhaust, you're missing out on so much.
Yep. So funny story. There's a guy in Houston who has a 2017 GTR.
And
he got it
closer.
He got it not terribly long after I moved. After me.
Uh-huh.
He had it before I moved there. But he took a ride in mine, and he immediately bought the same exhaust that I have and the same performance mods that I have. He went full bolt on. He's like, I needed the power, I needed the sound.
Yep.
Absolutely. Yeah.
I mean, that's why you buy these, it's to have fun.
Yeah.
Free to talk about what you kind of do with your Discord.
Yeah, so, I mean, the crux of it is basically there's a lot of trading Discords out there, there's a lot of stockbrokers out there, and their premise is to either deal with your money themselves, so you pay them to trade for you, or they give you signals to blindly enter and tell you when to buy and sell. And I both have their merits, but I don't like both for certain reasons. And so what I wanted to do is I wanted to create something a little different. And the focus of my Discord is primarily to teach people how to trade properly so they can make their own trades. So that way they don't blindly enter a trade, and if they lose, they don't know why they lost, or if they win, they gain false confidence. With my Discord, they learn how to properly trade, set up their own trade. If they make the trade and it works, it's on them. Like they totally understand why it worked. If it doesn't work, they understand why it didn't work. And it allows them to make better financial decisions with their own money in the future. And so we focus primarily on teaching people, and then we also, after we teach people and we provide them the Discord server to kind of allow them to ask any questions they ever need, provide assistance, and then we also provide signals. So instead of a blind signal telling when to enter and when to exit, we tell them, hey, this stock, which has proven to do really well, is setting up well. Not saying to buy it, it's not saying that it will perfectly set up, but it's in that direction, so just keep an eye on it. So kind of giving them a heads up, whereas it's not a blind, hey, enter here. And so far it's been really successful. We've properly coached quite a few people in how to trade, and they've done really well.
Thank you for joining us again on REVUP Ride Reviews. Today's energy drink that we chose to pair with the GTR is the wonderful Blue Raspberry. Blue on blue, can't go wrong. And Ryan, what'd you think of it?
Honestly, it was really good.
Good, we're glad you enjoyed it and can't wait. Thank you guys for joining us as well. And we'll see you on the next episode of REVUP Ride Reviews.